What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another retro unboxing, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing my Galaxy watch. Well, why do I have this and why did I buy it? If you don't already know, it's a festive season. There are a lot of weddings happening later in this year, and my mom was just spending all of money on her dresses and clothes. She also told me to buy something for myself, but I'm not that kind of person who will just spend literally like on gold, jewelry or clothes. I literally have just one jeans that I wear every day since like for 2 years, and all of these hoodies that you guys see like this. What the hell even is this? All my mom uses Flipkart, Amazon and Myntra for is just clothes. I don't know what's wrong with her, but I'm not that kind of person. So I thought, what could I spend? I mean, it's a festive season. I have to spend something, even though I'm not making any kind of money from my YouTube channel right now. Because if you haven't already seen, I haven't uploaded a good video for at least a month. Like, YouTube is broken. I'm just feeling not motivated at all until the YouTube fixes itself. I will be back, do the daily grind, but not just right now. I'm just not feeling well. But why am my camera shutting? But let's just unbox. So if you guys don't already know, I didn't buy this on like a promo code of my Galaxy Note 9, which I have, as you can see over here. Because when I bought my Galaxy Note 9, it's a pre-order device. So yeah, even though I had a good deal with Gear Sport is kind of like a mid-ranger watch from Samsung of last year. And it was a good deal for 6,000, but I was just not having it. If I'm buying a wearable, it must be good. And what's wrong with Galaxy Watch? I mean, it's the second best wearable that you can buy in 2018. The first one would be the Apple Watch Series 4, but the second best is this thing. Now, this is a 42mm because my arms are not that huge, that even though if it fits a 46mm, it won't look that good. So it's the same size as my Moto 360, if you guys don't already know. But why am I not using my Moto? Well, if I just turn it on, that the battery life of that thing is almost like barely 1 day, even though I barely use Bluetooth for like an hour on that thing. I mean, I'm using it for 2 years, but at the start of this year, I kind of gained weight. That was like my resolution for this year. I was getting extremely skinny and everyone was calling me unhealthy, which is not a good thing, that falling under the influence of other people. But personally, I thought I was getting extremely skinny. Thanks a lot. It's your support that I can afford such a beauty. How to open this thing? I don't even know. I've never seen a phone with a single percentage of battery and these things come fully dead. What the heck, Moto? So I just gained a bit of a weight, but that just resulted me in not using my 23,000 rupees wearable. Well, again, I bought this thing for 23. Well, not really 23. I actually bought it offline from the Samsung Smart Cafe, where I actually borrowed my phone for the videos, and they were kind enough to arrange me this for 20k. And let's just unbox. Why am I speaking? So this is again same size and the same price that I bought my Moto 360 for like almost 2 years ago. Okay, it just looks like a bag. You don't actually have to open it like that. It just slides up. Well, that's extremely weird engineering, but let's just lift off. And this is actually a black color, which I'm not a huge fan of. But if I'm buying 42mm, there are not good choices. So, wow. Again, I hope it's the same size, 42mm. Isn't my Moto like 44? Cost seems to be a bit smaller than my Moto, but again, you don't have that notch or the cutout like the Moto 360, which is again good. I seriously can't believe Moto was offering this in 2016. Wow, that's just amazing. I mean, it's not 2016, it's 2015, I guess, but seriously, that watch, wow. I mean, this looks a bit different. Again, the build quality is good, but Moto 360 is kinda like not bad at all. Again, this is much thicker than this thing. Also, it has a speaker, that's why maybe. And the clicks over here, if you see on the front, are much satisfactory than I actually thought. I have never seen a Gear Sport or a Gear S3 or never even used it. This is my first time touching any kind of Samsung wearable. But let's just keep it aside. Let's just take a look at the another accessories, because I always forget to show you guys. And let's just take a look at the charger, if it's in here. There is something. I guess this is just the charger. It's a standard micro USB charger that you get. I didn't really wanted this. I already have like 5 of them. Then again, on the left box, what do we have? Again, sorry for the indirect landing into the camera. This is what? Another band? I seriously don't need it, because I would be replacing it with a metallic black one. I extremely love metal bands. It's pretty same, looks extremely cool, as you can see. Let me turn on the autofocus. There you go. As you can see, looks pretty cool. This is the front camera of the Galaxy S9 Plus, because I would be using to pair with my Note 9 right now. Oh, the bottom one is the power button, I guess. The display is just mind-blowing. I mean, it's AMOLED. Here is my Note 9. Let's just unlock it. Wow. I don't have anything turned on, like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I mean, my Wi-Fi is turned on, but seriously, it just detected it. Galaxy Watch LE. I don't know what that stands for, but limited edition maybe. And the watch just vibrated like my whole soul. Galaxy Watch 46 or 42mm. I don't know what's wrong with my videos. Whenever I try it the first time, it just doesn't work. I tried to make an SSD video of my laptop Didn't go well. Again this thing. My watch is just not pairing with my Note 9. Oh wow, I just restarted my watch and it connected. Amazing. So it's been a while that I've seen you guys, and there is no pun intended, I wish there was, but the device has been successfully connected again that I have rebooted both of them. There was no issue with my Note 9 since but I have to reboot my Galaxy Watch twice to get it paired, which was, literally Galaxy Watch was announced with the Galaxy Note 9 and still they have some pairing issues, but there you go, both of them have been connected. So let's go over here, let me just zoom in. So over here it says let's go, turn clockwise, weather, then again otherwise just to go to home, turn again for notifications. The clicks are extremely satisfactory, but they are fast. I wish there is an option for it. Almost there. This is for the notification panel, and there is blur. Wow. Touch to cover the palm. Same as my Moto. All done. Enjoy your watch. Wow, that was pretty great. Extremely easy when compared to the Android Wear, and let's just explore. So these are all my quick widgets or the apps that you can say, and there are a lot of them. And yeah, the clicks are satisfactory and they work extremely great, as you can see, and pretty good. This is my watch face. Then they just go to the settings. Shit, I just hit power button. So again, just go to this and tap in the middle. Yep, there you go. So these are watch face, sound, and wow, I just noticed it's much more easier to scroll like this. People have said, but to scroll like this, I loved it on my Moto 360, but if you don't already know, Moto 360 is kind of bezel-less watch. As you can see, the watch face is much more bigger on it. So if you scroll on this thing, it's not that bad, but this is a bit of a smaller watch. Allow Bixby to access your microphone? No, not at all. But on this, to scroll, it's a bit harder due to this larger bezels over here. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for my quick unboxing of the Galaxy Watch. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more content on this watch, which is not a lot, but still if you want it, please let me know in the comment section below, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.